angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing my new aesthetic Notion setup. So you guys know I've been using Notion for a couple of months. I still use a physical planner for like big things, but I like to use Notion for like my smaller condensed things, so like all of my assignments for school and kind of just organizing my life in general. I used it for YouTube, Instagram, not really, but you know, it's an option, and I also, you know, just use it for everything. So let's just get straight on into it. So first of all, you know, we just going into the Notion app. I like to use an online version, but you know, at this time I didn't have my MacBook, so you know, had to show you on my iPad, my trusty iPad. So yes. So once you go into the actual Notion app, this is what it looks like. This is what my setup kind of looks like. I really like how it looks. My old aesthetic one used to be purple. Now it's brown and beige and beautiful. I love how it looks. So, you know, overall we have a bunch of different other tabs, and then you have like condensed schoolwork and then like the week and everything I need to do there. So I think it's really helpful that I have like everything all in one place aside from just like a whole planner. So the first thing in the year of 2021, I got my school stuff. Don't really use it that much, honestly. I put my classes in there, but I don't really use that either. My school schedule, I should probably end up putting stuff in there, but I also don't use it. A lot of this stuff I don't use other than like YouTube, Instagram, and then school stuff. But other than that, you know, I like having the option of it being there. So when it comes to the school schedule, I think I'm going to fill it in, see if I use it. And if I don't, then we'll just leave it there because I do not feel like deleting it. Then we got goals for the month. Goals for the month. I'm like going everywhere. But I also don't use this too much. But again, I'm trying to. We'll see how it turns out. But, you know, again, I don't feel the need to delete things and add more things, so I'll just leave it there. Fitness, I'm actually wanting to use. So I have Monday through Sunday all listed out, and I want to run a mile a day and then do like another workout. So this is where I'm going to keep everything so I know what I'm doing for the day. Then for daily stuff, literally, daily plan, don't use. Habit tracker, don't use. 5-minute journal, I also don't use. I do use my reminders and my notes just because I feel like once you open Notion, then you see it there. But, you know, it's cool to see that I, you know, have the option of doing that. So, yes. The daily plan, I feel like I should start using it, but I really don't. Just because, I don't know. I feel like I like how it's set up. I got a bunch of different setups from different people, but I don't know, I just didn't use it, and I think, again, I'm gonna have to like test it out one day, see if I like it, and if I don't, then we just don't use it. When it comes to my habit tracker, I don't really use habit trackers. Like, I've tried a bullet journal, I haven't used a habit tracker. I've tried, just like in my planners, they have habit trackers, and again, I don't use them, so I don't know. I just think that personally, I just don't need them. So, I don't know. I think it's helpful for some people, but for me, I just really don't use it. The 5-minute journal, now that we've passed this habit tracker, I'm just going ahead of the game. The 5-minute journal, again, I don't use, but I want to use it. You know what I mean? So we're going to try to use it. The habit tracker, I don't know. I feel like I like how it's set up, but I need to figure out how to use it. I think that's most of the things that are on my like dashboard. I'm just trying to figure out if I will use it, but most likely I won't. The 5-minute journal, I like how it's set up also, but I have so many journals that I just don't really use them. So then you got social media, which is YouTube and Instagram. Instagram is just a content calendar. I haven't filled anything out yet because for Instagram, I just like to go with the flow. With YouTube, I have a whole bunch of stuff. I have videos, I have milestones, I have goals, I have everything you can think of. Just because with YouTube, again, I'm super like precise with everything. So if you go through it, we got my video stuff. So we got video layouts, video checklist, and my content calendar. So for video layouts, it's literally just how I plan my videos out. For video checklist, what I think I need for the video. And then for video content calendars, it's just all the videos and when they're going to be uploaded, which you guys know I post every Sunday. So make sure you guys subscribe, part of the Angels team. Also hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of my videos. So yeah, I post every Sunday. and if I don't, I will let you guys know one way or another. Then after videos, I have milestones, so I keep a subscriber count, and then eventually, hopefully, if I ever get monetized, then I can also put that there. I haven't put anything on my subscriber one yet, but, you know, eventually if we hit another milestone, I will definitely put something there. But we will definitely see. You'll definitely see. I don't know why I'm yawning, guys. Then I have a motivational quote. I really like that there from Walt Disney, that it says, I don't even know what it says. Then you have the journey, which the person who created the template for the YouTube thing says you can just write about your journey, just because, you know, I feel like it's cool to have the capability of writing whatever you want. Then for how do you even say it? Archive, you have the goals and your video ideas. For goals, I don't really use it. Again, I don't know why I don't. I really should. And then for video ideas, I have a bajillion different video ideas. Like, you don't even know. So I do use the video ideas column just because, you know, I like keeping everything together and all of that good stuff. So for video ideas, whenever it comes to mind, whenever something pops in my head, I'll just write it down here and then put it like if I'm just going to copy it and paste it onto my video title for when you guys see it. Then sponsorships and collaborations. I haven't had any sponsorships or collaborations yet, but I think it's super useful to have. Then you have goals for the month and for the year, but again, I don't use it, so, you know. And that is pretty much everything for the top. So the year, my daily, and social media. I don't really use Instagram just because I feel like I like to have the capability of just posting whatever I want and not having to put like a content calendar. Obviously, if I ever have like a sponsored post, I'm going to have to eventually use this content calendar. That's why it's there. But again, I don't really use it. So yeah, when you scroll down, I have my Spotify playlist, which is always linked down below, and then 2 little like photo collages just because I like how they look. And then you have my week, so I can write down what I have to do for that week, for the day, and then also my schoolwork. So I write down all of my assignments, the due dates, and the classes in. I don't know why it took me so long, but the classes. I really like this just because I feel like I can, you know, do whatever. But it's also like a digital planner, and I can turn it in for my Avid class because I always want to see what assignments I have. And that is pretty much it. You're going to see me changing. I needed to update my classes, but other than that, that is pretty much it. I will try to leave my dashboard and my whole theme down below for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, be part of the hashtag Angels Notification Team so you'll never miss another one of my videos. And I hope that you start using Notion. I didn't really explain what it is, but it's basically like an online digital agenda. But not really. Like, you can make whatever you want of it. You can use it as a notebook, use it as a planner. You can use it for literally anything. So I think I have a whole video, like my Notion setup and what Notion is. I will link it down below, also in the eye. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. But we'll see if I do voiceover or not. Probably not. Okay. Bye, guys.